Hi guys, today we're going to talk about a very important question that you need to ask yourself before you start any creative journey. And that question is, what kind of creator are you? Now, it's absolutely essential that you answer this question because it's going to set the core fundamentals of who you are and how you see yourself. Now, you could be a graphic designer or a fashion designer or even a makeup artist for that matter. But it's very important that you know what kind of creator you want to be and you start setting your goals according to that. Now, don't worry, these goals change over time because you, as a creator, also evolve with every project that you do. But setting goals is absolutely essential because it helps you define what exactly you want to do. Now, you must be wondering, how do I find the answer to this question and set my goals? Super simple. Let's take a pen and paper and start noting it down. Number one, research. Research, 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 research. Use the power of the internet and research. Everything about what you want to do and the field you're interested in is available on the internet. It is absolutely necessary that you look through everything possible, whether it's a designer who's already in the field, see the kind of work that's being done, follow designers on Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, but just make sure that you research about your field from 0 to 100 and you know everything that you will need to put in once you join the field. Number two, define yourself. Absolutely important. What do you like to do? What you want to do? Where you aim to be? How are you going to get there? Very, very important questions to answer. Number three, are there any skills that you need to acquire to be in the field that you want to be in? Because once you are aware of the kind of things that you need to do to be a certain kind of a creator, it makes your life a lot more easier. Number four, what are the things that you don't like to do? As important as it is to know what you like to do, it is absolutely important to know what you don't like to do. So make sure that you write those lists down and clear out your head about the do's and don'ts of your own self and liking. Number five, how passionate are you to enter this field? Because willingness, passion, patience, very important when you're being a creator of any sort, because it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and you really need to give in more than 100% to be successful. So once you have the answer to these questions, you'll be able to map out your next steps very easily. I hope you liked this video and found it super helpful. Do let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.